How to delete Facebook account permanently. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook and make sure you are logged in with your account. After that, in the home page, you can see the hamburger option which is in the right upper corner. So simply tap on that. After that, you have to scroll down below and you'll be able to see the settings and privacy option. You have to tap on that, and further you have to tap on settings. After that, you'll be able to see personal and account information which is under the account option. So tap on that. After that, you'll be able to see account ownership and control option. Tap on that. So after tapping on that, you'll be able to see the deactivation and deletion option in the second row. Tap on that. So here there is a deactivate account and delete account. Since we are trying to delete the Facebook account permanently, you have to select the delete account option over here. So you have to tap on continue to account deletion option. So you have to choose any of the option over here and tap on continue to account deletion. So before you delete your account, you can download your information over here which will be stored in your Gmail account. So if you want to download your information of your Facebook or transfer your information, then you can simply tap on download info and transfer info, and from there you will be able to store your information. After that, you have to tap on delete account option over here. By tapping on delete account option, you have to enter your Facebook password for the confirmation. So by entering your password and tapping on delete account option, your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. So by following this simple step, you can delete your Facebook account. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching till the end.